Sitting in first, coach.
Devon Anderson.
All right, coach. A tough defeat here, definitely. You guys played a lot of the ball, but didn't get the result. Critical. A lot more chances, but didn't get the results. What's your assessment of the game today?
Goals win match. You know, no matter how much percentage of the ball you have, goals win match. And we fail to put the ball in the back of the net. You know, they break away, get a run against the play, and boom. You know, we give up a soft goal. Nevertheless, you know, we take a lot from this game. You know, we were short-handed on the bench, but we went out there and we played to the best of our ability.
Coach, is it that you feel like you did enough on the day to win the game?
Well, it's not a matter of feeling. Sometimes it's not a matter of feelings, you know. You know. Yeah. Aye. Yeah, it's not a matter of feelings, you know. Goals win match, and no matter how I feel on the day, you know, we didn't put the ball in the back of the net, and you know that don't count for anything.
Young Tajari coming over from Kingston College. And what would you tell the youngster to keep his head up, you know, after a performance like that? Well, a good performance, I believe, but after a mistake like that against his alma mater. What would you say to him?
Well, fight on. Fight on. You know, we're a warrior, we're a Hydel, we have a heart. Fight on. You know, this is just a nail in our spokes. See, this is a nail in our tire. We're gonna wheel and come again. We'll be back. Trust me. You know, we're supposed to be getting back some players today. You know, so we'll be back.
6 points at Kingston College in the group stage. How big of a setback is that? I believe.
Come on, you know the answer to that question. 3 points to KC in the group. You know the answer to that question. But nevertheless.
All right, coach. Let's up here.
Yeah.